Dear students, in this video, we are going to discuss a very important formula which you would be using very frequently. So this formula is related to finding the sum of square of first n natural numbers. Now what does it mean when I say that I am trying to find the sum of squares of first n natural numbers? So it means if you start writing the squares from first onwards, because the word is mentioned here is first n square. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Suppose you keep on writing this up till 10 squares. So I would say that I am trying to find the square of first 10 natural numbers. So there is a shortcut formula for this. So the formula is sum of square of first n natural number is equal to 1 by 6 into n. So whatever is the last number. So you begin writing the squares from 1 onward. So you stop at n square. So this n, if you input in this formula, you will get the sum. So formula is 1 by 6 n into n plus 1 multiplied with 2n plus 1. So you have to remember this formula. So now we will see some questions related to this formula. Sum of square of first 15 natural number. That means we have to start writing the squares from first onward, because here itself it is said the first 15 natural numbers. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up till what? Up till 15 square. So let us see what is the formula. So this is the formula. So in this formula, in place of n, we have to write 15. We will get the answer. So let's do that. So 1 by 6 into, in place of n, we have to write 15 into 15 into 15 plus 1 into 2 into 15, that is 30, 30 plus 1. So 30 plus 1. So let us write what this comes out to be equal to. So 1 by 6 into 15 into 16 into 31. So let us see the 6 and 15 both are multiples of 3. So let's cancel this. 6 and 15. So both can be cancelled. Both are multiples of 3. So 2 here and 5 here. Now this 2 and 16 will also cancel each other out. So this 2 and this 16. So 8. So final answer 5 into 8 into 31. So this is equal to 124. So 1240. So this is the final answer. So sum of first 15 natural numbers. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up till 15 square. So answer is 1240. Now let's see this one. Find the sum of the given series. So here also we are trying to find the square of first 25 natural numbers, because you have started counting from 1 square. You have counted all the squares in between and you are stopping at 25 square. So this is a complete series and you can use the shortcut formula. So complete series is there. Nothing is missing. So let us see the formula. So what we have to do, simply in place of n, we have to write 25. So let us now find out the answer. Wherever there is n, you have to replace it with 25. So that is equal to 1 by 6 into 25 into 25 plus 1. So 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. So 25 into 26 into 2 into 25. So 2 into 25 is 50. 50 plus 1 is equal to 51. 51. So let's solve this. So this 6 and 51 both are multiples of 3. So 6 2s are 3 and 17 3s are 51. So here 17. Now 2 and 23 can also be cancelled out. So this 13 times. So let's solve this. So 25 into 13. So that is equal to 325. 325 multiplied with 17. So this is equal to 5525. So final answer is 5525. Let's see the next one. Find the sum of series. So given series 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16. So 1 can be written as 1 square. 4 can be written as 2 square. 9 can be written as 3 square, 16 can be written as 4 square. So basically this series is given. 121 is 11 square. So you have written the squares starting from 1 square and ending at 11 square. So this is a complete series. You can use the formula. So this is the formula. You have stopped at 11. So in place of n, you have to write 11. You will get the answer. So let's see. So 1 by 6 into 11, n plus 1. So 11 plus 1 is 12 into 2n plus 1. So 2 into 11, 22. 22 plus 1, 23. Now 6 and 12 can be cancelled out. So 6 2s are 12. So this is 11 into 2. So 22 into 23. So 22 into 23 is equal to 506. So this is the correct answer. Now let's see this one. Find the sum of the given series. Now this series is not complete because 1 square is not there, 3 square is not there, 5 square is not there. So you have to rewrite this series to make it look complete. How can you do that? So 2 square. So 2 square can be written as 2 square into 1 square. 4 square can be written as 2 square into 2 square. 6 square is basically 2 square into 3 square. 8 square is 2 square into 4 square. Similarly 30 square. So 30 square is equal to 2 square into 15 square. So you can see basically 2 square can be taken as common. So if you take 2 square common and outside, so now the series will look something like this. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. And it will go up till 15 square, not up till 30 square, because 30 square can be written as 2 square into 15 square, and we are taking 2 square outside as common. So now this series will stop at 15 square. So 2 square is equal to 4. So 4 into this series. So what is the formula? So this is the formula. So let's use this formula to find out the value of this series. So this series starts from 1 and stops at 15. So you can actually calculate this series by using the formula. So wherever there is n, we will write 15. So 1 by 6 into 15 plus 116 into 31. Now 6 and 15. So 2 and 5 and 2 and 6, 8. So 50. So this is equal to 1240. So 4 into 4 multiplied with 1240. So 4 into 1240 is equal to 4960. So 4960 is the final answer. This is the final answer. Let's solve this one. Find the sum of the series. So what is this series actually? So if you take 2 common, so 1 square, so we have taken 2 common, so 2 into 4, so 2 square, 8 can be written as 2 square. So if you take 2 square outside, so 9 can be written as 3 square. So basically this series. So 200 is equal to 2 outside into 10 square. So yeah, so 2 multiplied with this series. So series is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up till 10 square. So let's calculate the value of this series using the formula. And 2 is there outside the bracket, so you have to be careful. So let's first calculate the value of series. So 1 by 6, in place of n we have to write 10. So 10 into n plus 1, so 10 plus 1 11 into 2n plus 1, so 2 into 10 20, 20 plus 1 21. So 6 and 21 both are multiples of 3, so 2 and 7. So 2 and 10 will also cancel each other out. So 55 into 7. So 55 into 7 is equal to 385. 385. So this is basically final answer will be 2 into 385. So that is equal to 770. So 770 is the final answer. Now dear students, let's have a look at this one. This is a very good question. There are n students studying in a class and their roll numbers are from 1 to n. The teacher asked the students to bring as many chocolates as is the square of their roll number the next day. So basically, suppose there are n students in a class. So their roll number is 1, 2, 3, 4 up till n. So this is the roll number of the student. What did the teacher tell them to do? Teacher told them that tomorrow roll number 1 will bring 1 square chocolates. Roll number 2 will bring 2 square chocolate. Roll number 3 will bring 3 square chocolate. Roll number 4 will bring 4 square chocolate. And the student whose roll number is n will bring n square chocolates. But here it is not given that how many students are there in the class, but it is given that the teacher has asked them to do so. Bring as many chocolate as the square of your roll number. But what happens the next day? One student by mistake brought chocolates equal to his roll number. That means, suppose that, I am saying suppose that, by mistake, suppose that roll number 9. Teacher had told him that you bring 9 square chocolate. That means if your roll number is 9, you have to bring 9 square chocolates. But this student by mistake brought only 9 chocolates. That meant he forgot the square. He brought, I'm just giving you an example because in the question it is not given that roll number 9 have forgot. Any one student have forgot. So the next day when teacher counted there that all the chocolates, so he found out that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 chocolates, 1234 chocolates. So the question is, how many students are there in the class? How many students are there in the class? Fine. Now understand what is happening here. So the teacher was expecting that the next day, tomorrow, when the student will come back, they will bring this much chocolate. This is what the teacher was expecting. But there is a problem. One student have done mistake. Now what is the mistake that student have done? Teacher have told him that if your roll number is A, suppose that roll number A has done this mistake. So roll number A was asked to bring A square chocolates. But he brought how many chocolates? He brought only A chocolates. So teacher was thinking he will bring A square chocolate, but he brought only A chocolates. So how many chocolates less came the next day? So teacher was not knowing that a student is going to do mistake. So teacher was thinking that A square chocolate will come, but the next day only A chocolates come. So A square minus A less chocolates the next day. So this many less chocolates came the next day. So what does this mean? When the teacher counted, there was 1, 2, 3, 4 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4 chocolates. So 1, 2, 3, 4 chocolates, and this much less chocolate had come. That means the actual chocolates that was supposed to come is equal to this much, is equal to total correct number of chocolates that the teacher was expecting. Now look at this number 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you use heat and trial, or if you remember that just now we solved this question and we found out that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up till 15 square. So the answer we got was 1240. 1240. So 1240 is very close to 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is very close to this series 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 15 square. So looks like there were 15 students in the class and one particular student have done mistake. So the correct answer should have been 1240. So 1234 plus a square minus a can be written as a into a minus 1. The real answer that the teacher was expecting is equal to this much. But one student did mistake. So from here a into a minus 1 is equal to 1240 minus 1234. So that is equal to 6. So a into a minus 1, these are consecutive numbers. So this is 3 into 3 minus 1. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So basically A is equal to 3. That means roll number 3 did this mistake, and there were total 15 students in the class. So how many students were there in the class? 15. Which roll number did the mistake? Roll number 3. So this was questions based on finding the square of, or you can say sum of squares of first and natural number. In the next video, we are going to discuss the sum of cubes of first and natural numbers.